Hey guys, what's going on? Back with another video. This one's gonna be kind of short. Just want to do a little trade recap on one of the members of the Discord group that was able to make $6,000, I believe, within 30 minutes of trading the stock Momo. No, I believe it's a Chinese company also, I believe. But yeah, they were able to make $6,000 in about 30 minutes. And it really just thanks to BlackBox Stocks and looking at the options flow in the market. So I just wanted to review that trade and then let you guys know how much I made on it. This person did kind of, they did risk a little bit more, not a little more, a lot more than I did. I think I only made $300 or $400 on it, and I was in it for a short time with them also, and they got in at a better point. But yeah, let's get to it. So actually, let me show you guys some flow. So this is the flow from yesterday, and in Bubble actually, as you can see, like this thing was getting hit up for the most part of the whole day. And like I said, this is options flows from yesterday, and even today there's still some more flow in it also. But yeah, so that was the flow in it, and I was able to actually get in at 10:09. And for some weird reason, I don't know why I didn't dip buy on this one. I don't know. I don't know what my mindset was and why I didn't exactly, because I kind of bought on the high and then dipped back down, and I was able to sell up here. So I think I sold for my contracts were $10 more than they were right here. And that's when I went ahead and got out of it. But sometimes you're gonna alert if you have a room, you're gonna alert trades out to your room or Discord members, and they're gonna make more money than you, and nail the trade better than you can. Which I'm happy. I would I would rather more people make more money than I do, so I can just brag on that. I don't want to brag on money that I make. It's kind of boring. But yeah, guys. So here's my entry right here. I should have dip bought down here, but actually exit up here, and the stock was Momo. And like I said, the student, I believe they got in after me, so they probably got in around down here, down towards this range. And let's see, what was right here, 10, 20. So yeah, and I think they got out a little bit after me also, but they were able to get a way cheaper options contract price, and that's why they're able to make that much money. And they have risked a lot more money to make that, but they're able to make $6,000 in 30 minutes, and that's the power of options. Just trading stocks, you're not gonna be able to see returns like that, and that's why a lot of people are trading stock options these days. It's because they're a little, this easier to get the bang for your buck. Essentially, if you have maybe you have a couple $1,000,000, then you might be able to want to build a portfolio out. But for the most part, most people are going to trade stock options. You can get in and out of the trade and make way more money with a lot less money than you would with stocks. And I believe that's about it today. What did I trade today? Excuse me, let's see. Today I had traded Billy, BILI, and CLDR. CLDR has some really good flow in it, and I think I made about $500 on that. Let's just click on the flow. Oh yeah, here's the flow for CLDR. This is getting hit up all day, and I love it when you see flow come in and you barely see any put options being bought. You see like one or two, here or there, but for the most part, it's all call, all call activity. And this one was a pretty good one. This one actually came in the first one came in at 9:30 this morning. So around 9:30 this morning it came in. Then I think I saw this bunch right here, and then after that I was like, okay, I need to go ahead and make a trade on that. Yeah, because I got in at 9:33 a.m. 9:33. Yep. 9:33 a.m. was when I got into this trade. So, after I saw that flow come in, I went ahead and hit it, alerted the group, and I believe some people in the Discord group were able to make money off that. And like I said, guys, the Discord group is free, so go ahead and join. I'll personally message you as soon as you get in there. If you need anything, have any questions, I'm more than willing to help out on that. But CLDR is able to make about $450 or so on this one. Quick little day trade. And I am currently swinging another Chinese company, Billy, BILI, and this is the activity in this one today. So it saw some decent flow. It kind of stopped at about 10 a.m. Yeah, and then picked back up around 3 for a couple more. So I'm swinging these. I don't have too much money invested in it. I'm gonna swing it just to see what it can bring me. And it's really going against my rule, because in this market condition, I really don't like holding anything overnight. But we'll see what it does. Like I said, I don't have too much money invested in it, so we're just gonna see. And that's pretty much it. Kind of a not too long of a video. Like I said, I just want to go over that trade recap of the trader who was able to make that much money and $6,000 in 30 minutes. And that's really just goes to show you the power of just like, reading options flow and following other, traders and where moves are going in. A lot of times you're going to see the moves, you're going to see the market orders come across before a stock moves or before news breaks on it. So it makes your job a little bit easier. Trying to think. I'm trying to think where I would see the market going. I don't know. I think the market is still very unstable for the most part. Today kind of proved that the market really didn't know when it go up or down. But days like today is when you see the best flow. When the market gaps up 700, 800 points, doesn't leave that much room for stocks to run up intraday. Even in the same thing with the market down 700, 800 points. It's kind of hard for stocks to move down intraday. So I did like today we're opened up at a modest amount and kind of moved a little bit up and down. Those are the best days I like. And it's a little harder to trade right now also too because the Fed, they're constantly on TV. Jerome Powell is constantly on TV talking about stimulating the economy. So anything he says, the market acts very fragile to it, so you don't know exactly what's going to happen in it. But we'll see. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow is quadruple witching, so that is when the option contracts. What was it? Option contracts. Let me read it again. I forget what the ones. Okay, stock option contracts, stock index contracts, single stock futures, and stock index futures all expire tomorrow. So tomorrow's gonna be a good. It's a good day to buy tomorrow for like lottos essentially in the market, and you can really flip your money a lot. So tomorrow I'll be looking to make some moves in that, but not to gamble too much though, because I don't like to trade on Fridays that much, and especially in these market conditions. But we'll see what the market holds for us, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, please. That would liking definitely helps out the algorithm just to get the video out there some more. I do have the links to Discord in the description. I'll also I'll pin a comment with the link to the Discord group also. But once again, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and have a good night.